In the ever-expanding universe of project management software, Smartsheet has carved out a distinct niche. It offers a unique blend of spreadsheet-like familiarity with powerful project management, collaboration, and automation capabilities. This combination often leads businesses, especially those already entrenched in the Microsoft ecosystem, to wonder, does Microsoft have an app like Smartsheet? As a project management expert, I can tell you that Microsoft does not have a single, direct, all-in-one app that is an exact replica of Smartsheet. Smartsheet's strength lies in its intuitive grid-based interface, robust automation, and enterprise-grade reporting, all combined into one platform. However, Microsoft's strategy is different. Instead of one single app, Microsoft offers a suite of interconnected applications within Microsoft 365, formerly Office 365, that, when combined and configured correctly, can provide much of the functionality found in Smartsheet, and in some cases even surpass it. Think of it less as a direct comparison of one-to-one apps and more as a comparison of ecosystems. Smartsheet is a comprehensive, standalone solution. Microsoft's approach is modular, leveraging its existing powerful tools. Let's explore the Microsoft 365 applications that collectively provide Smartsheet-like capabilities. 1. Microsoft Excel, the familiar grid with limitations. Smartsheet's user interface is deeply rooted in the spreadsheet format, making it instantly familiar to anyone who has used Microsoft Excel. Excel itself is a powerful data manipulation and calculation tool. You can certainly use Excel for basic project tracking, task lists, and even simple Gantt charts with some manual effort or third-party add-ons. Where it's like Smartsheet, grid interface. The fundamental layout is a grid of rows and columns. Formulas and calculations. Excel's strength in formulas allows for complex data manipulation. Data organization. Great for organizing lists of information. Where it falls short compared to Smartsheet. Lack of native PM features. Excel lacks built-in project management features like automated dependencies, critical path analysis, robust resource management, or integrated communication streams. Collaboration. While Excel Online offers real-time collaboration, it's not as seamless for structured project discussions and approvals as Smartsheet. Automation. Basic automation is possible with VBA or Power Automate, but it's not as integrated and user-friendly for project workflows as Smartsheet's built-in automation. Views, primarily a spreadsheet view, doesn't natively offer Kanban, Gantt, without complex add-ins, or card views. 2. Microsoft Lists, the structured data manager. Microsoft Lists is probably the closest Microsoft has to Smartsheet in terms of a core smart spreadsheet concept. Built on SharePoint technology, Microsoft Lists allows you to create, manage, and share structured information easily. It's designed for tracking information, managing events, creating content calendars, and much more. Where it's like Smartsheet, customizable columns. Just like Smartsheet, you can create various column types, text, numbers, dates, choices, people, etc., to define your data. Multiple views, supports grid, spreadsheet-like, calendar, and gallery views, allowing different ways to visualize your data. Rules and automation. You can set up simple rules for automation, e.g., send a notification when an item changes status, leveraging Power Automate in the background. Integration with Microsoft 365. Seamlessly integrates with Teams, SharePoint, and Outlook. Where it falls short compared to Smartsheet. Project management depth. While great for tracking tasks, Lists doesn't have native Gantt charts, critical path, or advanced resource management. It's more about managing lists of items than complex projects. Reporting. Reporting capabilities are more basic compared to Smartsheet's advanced dashboards and report builders. Cross-list relationships. While possible with some effort, creating complex relational databases across multiple lists isn't as intuitive or robust as Smartsheet's cross-sheet references and formulas. 3. Microsoft Planner, simple task management. Microsoft Planner is a lightweight, Kanban-style task management tool included with Microsoft 365 subscriptions. It's designed for simple team task organization and progress tracking. Where it's like Smartsheet in a very limited way. Visual task boards. offers Kanban boards for visualizing task progress. Basic task assignment. You can assign tasks, set due dates, and add checklists. Integration with Teams. Works well within Microsoft Teams for collaborative task management. Where it falls short compared to Smartsheet. No grid view. Lacks the spreadsheet-like grid view that is central to Smartsheet. No Gantt charts. Doesn't support Gantt charts or critical path tracking. Limited customization and automation. Far less customizable and offers much simpler automation than Smartsheet. Scalability. Best for small, straightforward projects. Struggles with large, complex project portfolios. 4. Microsoft Project, the enterprise PM powerhouse. Microsoft Project is Microsoft's dedicated project management software, and it's a completely different beast from Smartsheet. It's an enterprise-grade tool focused on traditional project management methodologies, offering sophisticated features for complex projects and portfolios. Where it's more than Smartsheet. Advanced scheduling. Superior for complex dependency management, critical path analysis, and baseline tracking. Resource leveling. Highly advanced resource management and leveling capabilities. Portfolio management. Tools for managing multiple projects at a program or portfolio level. Where it differs from Smartsheet's niche. Complexity. Microsoft Project has a much steeper learning curve and is generally considered more complex and less intuitive for casual users. Collaboration. While it integrates with Teams, its native collaboration features are not as seamless or central as Smartsheet's real-time comments and discussions within the sheet. Spreadsheet interface. While it has a grid-like task list, it lacks the broader smart spreadsheet flexibility and data types that Smartsheet offers. Cost. Often more expensive, and typically requires additional Microsoft tools to achieve a comprehensive solution. 5. Microsoft Teams plus SharePoint plus Power Platform. The integrated ecosystem. The closest Microsoft gets to a Smartsheet-like experience is through the intelligent integration of several Microsoft 365 apps. Microsoft Teams provides the central hub for communication and collaboration. You can embed planner boards, lists, project for the web projects, and Excel files directly into Teams channels.